Hi, my name is Taylor Haugen. I'm a product expert with Fasteners Plus. Threaded rod is a very versatile product, can be used in a wide array of application, anything from DIY projects at home, like building a pergola, storage unit, shelving, to anchoring in a post base or concrete embedment, to using for HVAC and electrical using something like strut channel. So let's see what that might look like. For embedment applications, like secured at post base, threaded rod can be installed directly into wet or dry concrete, creating a strong, permanent hold that's ideal for outdoor structures. A dependable connection between your foundation and framing. Threaded rod isn't just for job sites though. Here it's used to build a suspended storage shelf, offering a clean, industrial look with fully adjustable spacing. And a go-to choice for electrical and mechanical installs, threaded rod allows for easy adjustment, clean alignment, and strong support overhead. A chamfered end makes installation easier by helping nuts start smoothly without cross-threading. And using nuts and washers with compatible materials prevents corrosion and ensures proper fit. So not only do we offer threaded rod in diameters from 1/4 inch all the way up to 1.5 inches, all the way up to 12-foot lengths, but we also can custom cut any size that you need. Say you need a 16-inch piece of threaded rod, give us a call and we can help you get that. Get your threaded rod at Fasteners Plus.